it's all about Jamaica's worst game. You deaf, we the baddest. And as they say, connect.
Yo. What is up, guys? JAMAICA'S came out here with another reaction. And today we are with Intence. Shh. That is it. Intence. Shh. So that song I dropped about a week ago. But I've been busy doing the throwback series. If you've not seen them already, go check them out. Where we react to throwback songs. 8 years or 7 years and older. But this song has been put in my comment section a few times, so we're here with it, and we see what go on social media where Intence get the G for the intro, 100K, which is good on Intence. Big up yourself for that, my bro. So we're gonna jump in the one and hear what the G officer.
Pull up, yo, pull up. Let's go.
If you get a man like me, you get substance, you get quality.
Yeah.
If you're a good woman, I take you on vacation. I give you shrimp. I give you lobsters. I give you berries.
Shrimps.
You can use my card.
Berries.
You can go on tour. We'll take you to car market. Choose the car that you like. You don't want a good man.
Yeah, big up the G. Yeah.
You can go on tour. We'll take you to car market. Choose the car that you like. You don't want a good man.
Set you up, but I enough for night. Girl, you pussy good, I can't fuck, I can't ride. But girl, that the beach, my type. You don't want a body, I don't want a wife. Pull up! Yo! Pull up! Let's go!
Floor!
If you get a man like me, you get substance, you get quality. If you're a
Big
good
production
woman,
team.
I take you on vacation. I give you shrimp. I give you lobsters. I give you berries. You can use my card. We can go on tour. We'll take you to car market. Choose the car that you like. You don't want a good man.
Yeah.
Set you up, but I enough for night.
Yeah.
Girl, you pussy good, I can't fuck, I can't ride.
Yeah.
But girl, that the beach, my type. You don't want a body, I don't want a wife.
Bad girl and dirty bitch, I'm type. That's what the G say. He must say to her, say, you don't want nobody. You don't want nobody, and him worse, no want a wife. That's what the G I tell us, say. The two of them just a fuck. Yeah.
But girl, that the beach, my type. You don't want a body, I don't want a wife. Top nice. Flat Benz, they were fucking on the ride. Wind on your window, be able to shine your pride. You don't have an idea. They were fucking on the ride. Wind on your window, be able to shine your pride. You don't have an idea, germs just slime.
You hear that? Your pride, you have to hide it. Dash it away. Last it. Yeah, right now. What? How about your time right now?
Wind on your window, be able to shine your pride. You don't have an idea, germs just slime.
Yeah, slime.
Your left coming on that. But your pum good, some on you. I even do me even know love. Guess what, my name on my phone book.
What's your name in that phone book, G? What's your name in that phone book?
Slime, but your left coming on that. But your pum good, some on you.
On ya.
I even do me even know love.
No love.
Guess what, my name on my phone book. Pretty freak, and if I scroll down, you see.
What's your name in that phone book? Cocky freak?
Guess what, my name on my phone book. Pretty freak, and if I scroll down, you see a picture with my wood by your board tongue.
Cocky freak, and if you scroll down, you see me, you see a picture with me holding on your mouth and your board tongue.
Pretty freak, and if I scroll down, you see a picture with my wood by your board tongue. You can't fuck, you need to look at what I pull up. Bubble pon the body all day and slow down.
Put them need to hire your mama. You can't fuck. Yeah. You can't fuck on people who watch you. Yeah, cause you're bad. Yeah. Porn up style.
Tongue, you can't fuck, you need to look at what I pull up. Bubble pon the body all day and slow down. Set you up, but I enough for night. Girl, you pussy good, I can't fuck, I can't ride. But the girl, dirty girl, I'm my type. Don't want a body, I don't want a wife. Top nice. Flat Benz, they were fucking on the ride. Why do we the baby that show your pride? You know, for head, my love germs, my love slime. She love gunman, me have a thing for bad girl. Nothing wrong, but I say nothing wrong.
She love God man, have a thing for bad girl. Nothing wrong. He not say nothing wrong. I true.
She love gunman, me have a thing for bad girl. Nothing wrong, but I say nothing wrong. Now I praise myself, she know I'm wicked and tan. Fuck you, make you off, I breeze the pussy with fun.
Self-praise is not a recommendation, but the G tell us how him not praise himself. She know how him wicked and tan. Yeah. When him done, last cup and have it turn on. And that girl have to get cool down. He hot. He run hot. Bearings run hot.
Now I praise myself, she know I'm wicked and tan. Fuck you, make you off, I breeze the pussy with fun. Cocky dropping on your bed like bomb. Good on for you, head and balance for you on. Oh Jesus, oh Lord, oh God. Over up on the buckets of the year, me a grab.
Pull out the ear, make sure say Brazilian in tight. Make sure say Brazilian swore down. Yeah.
Oh Jesus, oh Lord, oh God. Yeah. Over up on the buckets of the year, me a grab.
Yeah.
Fuck you, this is slam your head in I zing. Them swing your pump foot to make you stay on the link. Get a cup.
Fuck you, this is slam your head in I zing. Then swing your pan fat and keep in that link. Yo, the man, yo, every man that crack, fuck you up, mama. Every man, sorry for the French. Every man that crack, you up, mama. Every man in that crack, go get peace, Lord.
This is slam your head in I zing.
Slime.
Swing your pump foot to make you stay on the link. Get a cup, coach the trick. What bug a girl there, dog away a trick. Booze out the whole of them a pop pill. Killers out there, I'm the active. My girl, the man, they'll be a madness. You know, hear about young badness. But the girl, if come in, I want that. But your pum good, some own you. And if I do, I don't even know love. Get swinging here, man, on my phone book. Pretty freak, and if I scroll down, you see a picture with my wood by your board tongue. You can't fuck, you need to look, I walk up on up. Bubble pon the body all day and slow down. Set you up, but enough in the night. Girl, your pussy good, I can't fuck, I can't ride. But girl, that the beach of my type. You don't want a body, I don't want a wife. Shh, top and nice. Flat Benz, do it fucking on the ride. Wind on your window, be able to show your pride. I don't have a idea, dream just slime. But girl, if I come in, I want that. But your pum good, some own you. And if I do, I don't even know love. Get swinging here, man, on my phone book. Pretty freak, and if I scroll down, you see a picture with me by your book.
Oh, guess what's in my phone book? Pretty freak. Okay, pretty freak. Okay.
Phone book.
My bad.
Pretty freak, and if I scroll down, you see a picture with me by your board tongue. You can't fuck, you need to look, I walk up on up. Bubble pon the body all day and slow down.
Young, big up yourself. Big up yourself, young badness. Big up yourself. Yeah. Big up production team behind one. Big up ladies in the video. Video clean. Once again, big up Intence for reach out to the G in the intro and bless him with that thing. You don't know. Hope the G put it to use and nobody make them take it from him. You see me? And squander it out. You see me? Tapping eyes, girl. Tapping eyes. Yeah. That is a textbook young flow. Cause you know all them man they do them thing already. Them man they even hardly talk too tough. You see me? But this bad still. This bad. Big up yourself. Bad. What can I say? But ladies, once you not do the thing, basically, that's what young I say. Once you not do the thing, them, we please him. You don't know, say anything you want, you go get it. If you want lobsters, if you want shrimps, if you want berries, anything you want, you will get it. You get it. Get the credit cards. You can go shopping and buy cars. Yeah, anything you want, you will get it. That's what the G say. So yeah, big up young badness. Big up young badness. Don't know the thing coming G. This time I'm gonna leave down and see if you enjoy that one and want to see more, you know what to do already. Alright? Shh. Hey.
It's all about Jamaica's worst game. You deaf with the baddest. And it's a rip corner.